So this is me trying to put in a 10 mm box and wrench to the low pressure line. So it's really a tight squeeze out here, but I was able to crack it loose, and I'm just slowly working my way and loosening it. Now I'm working on with my fingers trying to loosen it. Yeah, once it's very loose, you could use your fingers to loosen it. So here's this. I think the O-ring is somehow missing. It's probably stuck inside. Yeah, I think it's stuck inside there. We fished it out. Should be here. There we go. So it's the black one. Yep. And here's the bolt for that. So here's the new part. And this is the old O-ring. Yeah, it's I could really tell that this one is really flattened. Yep. Instead of circular. Yeah, coat it with some power steering fluid before you put it back. So honestly, I'm still struggling to align it back because the O-ring is now large. Okay, now it's there. Then the hardest part is actually putting in the bolt because of the space. But it should be okay. I am done. I didn't use that much fluid because there's not much any fluid left. I have to use a bungee cord to hold the cable there. Currently returning where all those pieces should go back, like this power steering just slides in here. And then this cable, there's a slot for this one over here. Yep. And then I have to remove the cover for this. Yep. There you go. And now we're gonna clean this area with brake clean. We finished doing the brake clean on this one, spray it with the brake cleaner. So I only changed the low pressure line O-ring. This will find the weakest link on this system. So probably the next one would leak might be this high pressure line over here, or this one, or the steering rack over there. So we'll see. There it is. I still see some foaming in here, so I need to move the steering wheel back and forth until I see no bubbles. So far it's dry. Okay, it's not foaming anymore, so I'm good. So I'm using a mirror to look at the oxygen sensor. This is the cost of the P0134, and yeah, it's way down there and you cannot actually look at it directly. So yeah, probably have to work blind or use a mirror. So I'm gonna put in some penetrating oil before I took this out. So here's the new sensor from Rock Auto. So actually there's like two tabs, so I need to press both at the same time to release it. not just one. So I finally was able to remove it. Yeah, the original one that has a bad heater circuit is actually an NTK brand too. Yep. So I'm going to put this one in. It already has the anti-seize there. That's one good thing about NTK or NGK is that they have the so I am threading it by hand initially. So using a mirror, I was able to put it in. I just have to tighten it and connect the plug, and we should be good. So I'm driving now my Honda Odyssey after the oxygen sensor fix. I've been driving it on and off, going from places to places around town, and the check engine light hasn't appeared. So there's two codes. One is P0134, which is for the oxygen sensor heater circuit, and then the other one is P0420, I think, which is like a catalytic converter code. And those went away. I think I drove like probably more than 100 miles on and off with this one, so I think probably more than 5 driving cycles along the highway and roadside. So the alignment is also better. I think I just need probably close to 1 turn, I think, on the tie rod on the driver's side to fix this issue. It's a little bit off, but it's way better than my first experience. So I got the van cleaned. So this is how it looks right now. This is the driver's seat in leather, and the passenger seat is still cloth. I cleaned it, and actually it cleaned very well, so I'm not in a rush to change it into leather right now. I might change it at a later time. I think I need to like clean the seat belt stuff, yep. The belt there, and even this one, the panels, I cleaned them, and they're very clean right now. The loose portion of it, actually the screw in here is actually not, it completely went off. That's why it's very loose right now. It's pretty solid. And this one I also fixed this one. Yep. It seems that most of the locks are failing on this Odyssey. And I cleaned the carpets too. This one, the born portion of it, yeah, I don't think I could remove it. I might probably replace the tray, but I think it's fine. It looks good. Everything there is clean too. Yeah, the back seats are actually okay once cleaned. The only issue I have right now are pretty much cosmetic. So I need to fix this side, the bumpers. Yep, this one got ripped off, and this inner fender, I already have one. I just don't have the time to fix it. And then this door is actually really hard to open. It takes a lot of effort, but it will open up. So I don't know what is wrong with it. Now the rollers seems to be okay, so I'm trying to figure out why is this hard to pull. I think the lock actuators is probably bad in this one. And then yeah, this is a major rust issue, which is very common on all Hondas. And yeah, I have to repaint this stuff and fix this crack too. This is easy because the thing is, this is like all intact. There are no missing pieces, so I'll probably gonna weld it, and then yeah, we got some clear coat peeling here too on the on the on the tailgate, which is not that bad. So I'm done with the inspection. I have the title. I applied for the title, and I've been driving this actually for more than a week, and the cat code and the oxygen sensor code never went back. Everything is actually in pretty good shape. So yep.